We already have the virus vaccine against influenza virus for the 2025-2026 season. We do not have it for the 2026-2027 season, and that's a problem. To understand how this is done, let me give you just a little brief explanation about how we actually make influenza virus vaccines. By the way, I'm Dr. Terry Simpson. If you like this information, please give me a follow. Here's what happens. Group of scientists go to South America. They find out, in Australia, they find out what are the influenza viruses that are big, that are causing problems there. They then take those viruses, grow them in eggs, we've been doing that for 70 years, or tissue culture, we've been doing that for 50 years. And based on that, we develop those viruses, kill them, and make a vaccine. Here's the problem. You have probably had the experience where you've gotten an influenza vaccine but still gotten influenza, because sometimes our vaccines aren't that effective. Why? Because we make the guess that the one virus going on in South America or Australia is the one that's going to be bad here. And sometimes we're wrong. Can we quickly make new vaccines? Absolutely. How do we do that? We do that with mRNA technology, and we do that with recombinant DNA technology. Those are the technologies that are being put on hold by the current administration, which means we're going to be making vaccines the same way we've made them for the last 70 and 50 years, and we're going to be making guesses as opposed to be making really good scientific evaluations and fast vaccines that are effective for you. In spite of all that, even with the worst vaccine year ever in terms of it not being very effective against the virus, it is still more effective to get the influenza vaccine because it prevents both hospitalizations and deaths by over 90%. That's why we take the vaccine. What we would like to do is use our current technology to make great vaccines to keep you from even getting influenza, to keep you from even losing days at work and from getting sick. That's what we want. We have the technology, and it is being blocked by RFK Jr. and by eliminating the grants and by doing all this crazy stuff they're doing. That's the problem. We have the technology. They're not letting us use it.